So today is a quick video of my daily routine on how I maintain my microlocks. Sorry for being nasally, I am battling a cold, but we're gonna get through this video. I know I talked to you guys about how this year my goal is to just have a consistent routine of self-care, self-love for my microlocks, because I think last year I kind of neglected my hair quite a bit, so it didn't do as well as it could have done. So I'm focusing on moisture, I'm focusing on just like scalp massages, just really nurturing my hair. And the last video that I posted about my hair, I was in the process of retying my hair, and I am happy to report that it is officially done. I just finished doing it a few days ago, and yeah, this is what it looks like dry. And this is basically what my hair looks like in the morning every day. So to be honest, I could easily get away with just not doing anything every morning, but that's not what we want to do in 2024. So the first thing I do is, usually in the shower, I tend to spritz my hair with water. So I don't tend to use a spritz bottle in the shower because I just find that there's no need. I just kind of wet my hands and then just run the water through my hair. And then I take just a little bit of this mango lime island oil, and I've been using this for, I guess, the last year consistently, and I find that it's not too heavy on my hair. So I just take like a, I don't know, a quarter size amount, so just that much into my hair, into my palm, and then I rub it and then I put it in my hair, and that's pretty much my daily routine. However, today is one of my every 3 days routine where I just want to start using a different product like this. So this is the No More Itch Grow Spray for maximum relief. I've been finding that my hair is kind of itchy sometimes. So, and I also have this flaky thing that I'm trying to work with. I'm gonna try and see if this actually helps, because it says it helps with dry scalp. Well, it seems a little creamy. So that's what it looks like. So I'm gonna try and see if I can just use it lightly but everywhere. Okay, so the applicator bottle is not ideal. This spritzing is really hard, to be honest. So I might transfer it into a spritz bottle just to make it easier for myself. But the aim here is to really put this product on my scalp, because I don't want dryness anymore. Oh, I'm tired of dryness in my hair. Specifically on my scalp and in my hair. Actually, my hair is not as bad as my scalp. Like, I feel like my scalp tends to get really dry and flaky, so I'm hoping that this actually does something great. I've had good success with a similar product in the past. So yeah, so that's what I do with the scalp, and I think I'll be doing this every other day rather than doing this every day, but I'll see how the buildup looks like. Doesn't look like there's any buildup, but you never know with these things. So yeah, so that's that. And then I'm gonna spritz my hair. Okay. Okay, just a little water there. And then this is the amount of oil that I put in my actual hair. It's not that much. I'll say it's like 5 milliliters or something like that. And I just kind of put it anywhere. Yeah, so that's what the hair looks like. Comme ça. Okay, so I hope you can tell the difference, because I can. It's a little, I mean, you can definitely feel it. It's not as dry, and then I feel like my scalp is not as dry and crusty. I really want to work on my scalp this year because it feels like when I work on it, it just stays nice and healthy. In my hair, when I actually moisturize my hair, my ends, it's just nice. You know, it has a nice little bounce to it. And so this year my goal is really to be consistent with this routine. The plan being just daily water moisture with a little bit of oil, and then every other day I'll do a scalp spritz, just so that my scalp is not too covered in product. And in terms of how many times a week I wash my hair, I'm just gonna keep it to once a week, to be honest. I don't see the need to keep washing my hair every single time. But if I'm doing something gross like working out and I'm doing excessive sweating, that's the only time I'll revisit this. But for now, I am not doing excessive sweating. I'm not even working out, to be honest. But yeah, so that is my daily routine. If you have microlocks, let me know how you maintain your hair. Because again, I'm just trying to figure it out as I go along. But yeah, I will end this video now. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.